I get my wash and go styles to give me flowy hair? Okay, shave sides. Wash and go? I wish I knew what your texture was, but I don't. But again, determining your hair texture will determine how much flow, how much elongation, how much definition you get out of a wash and go style. Remember, wash and go styling is the ultimate moisturizing regimen style, all in one in the shower with no work, except for drying time. And depending on your hair texture, that'll determine that too. Whether you want to do it at night, if it's too inconvenient to do it in the cold weather in the morning, if you don't want to wet your hair, then do it at night. Doing wash and go frequently and doing it on textures that have been fully moisturized, inundated and hanging with conditioner, and applying your styling product on your very wet, freshly rinsed out, conditioned hair that you just co-washed. Doing all that simultaneously in the shower and relying on the wetness of your hair. And the wetness, remember, helps your hair, regardless of texture, to hang. That is what gives you the definition, the elongation, and the fluidity. No, the fluidity, as you said. To your wash and go style. Hope this helps.